Namaste. My name is Gajendra. How are you? I welcome you to my basic Hindi lesson 2. In lesson 1, we have learned the basic Hindi sentence structure, common gestures, and how to introduce yourself. Let's get started with the lesson number 2. In this video, I will show you how pronouns are used in Hindi along with the to be verbs like is, am, are. We will also look at some examples to show you how we can create sentences for starting Hindi conversation. Word for I in Hindi is मैं. मैं. The last N is only pronounced half and none of the letters are stressed. It is like how you pronounce the word man but without the N. आप is a formal way of saying you in Hindi. There are many forms of you which are usually used to differentiate between formal and informal settings. However, we would stick to the most common and formal form, which is aap. Hum. Hum is how we say we in Hindi. Pay close attention here. In Hindi, the word for he or she is vah. Vah. Both of the A's are understressed while pronouncing the word. The to be verb changes a bit to identify if it is a male or female. I will explain it later in this video. For now, just know that whether it is a male or female, the Hindi pronouns for them is vah. Ve. Ve is how we say they in Hindi. The V is pronounced only half and the E is stressed to sound like way. In this table, you can see all the most used pronouns. My means I, hum means we, aap means you, vah means he or she, ve means that or they, yah means this or it, and ye means these. Just like English, the to be verb am is are takes various forms in Hindi. The form it takes depends on the subject, first, second, or third person, and whether the subject is singular or plural. Let's see how we pronounce these words. Whom. Whom is how we say am in Hindi. The last N in whom is pronounced nasally and carries a slight N sound. It is like a short N sound. Hain. Hain is how we say are in Hindi, and the last N in hain is pronounced nasally and carries a slight N sound to it, just like the word for am, that is whom. Hai. Hai is how we say is in Hindi. The A is understressed. Now we add the pronouns and see how it works together with the to be verbs in Hindi. In this table, I am becomes मैं हूँ. We are becomes हम हैं. You are becomes आप हैं. He or she is becomes वह है. They are becomes वे हैं. Do not confuse between है and हैं. Both are different words in Hindi. है is used only for third person singular nouns, while हैं is used for plural nouns. Hindi language does not have definite articles. However, Hindi does have an indefinite article ek. Ek literally means one in Hindi. It is only used when the speaker wants to stress the referent. Like, for example, I am a doctor in Hindi is मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ. I am an actor. मैं एक अभिनेता हूँ. I am the doctor. मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. I am the actor. मैं अभिनेता हूँ. Based on the sentence structure we have studied in lesson 1 and what we have learned just now, let's look at this basic sentence. I am a boy translates in Hindi to मैं लड़का हूँ. Here, लड़का means boy. Similarly, मैं लड़की हूँ is how you would say I am a girl. Here, लड़की means girl. आप लड़के हैं means you are a boy. आप लड़की हैं means you are a girl. वह लड़का है means he is a boy. वह लड़की है means she is a girl. Now in the last two examples, boy translates to ladke. K in ladke is pronounced exactly how the English alphabet K is pronounced. It is a suffix that added to the word to indicate its plural form. Similarly, the word ladki changes to ladkiyan to indicate the plural form. I hope this video was helpful in your Hindi learning. I would recommend you to start practicing what we have studied so far. We need to complete the basic concept of the language first before we can start exploring new words and vocabulary. In the next video, we will learn more concepts about Hindi along with interesting exercises. Until then, keep learning.